So we're going to be installing this EONON Android head unit to replace this one here. I'm just going to open it up, show you guys what you get inside. So you've got the actual head unit itself and the wires. That's actually all that comes in it, but I'll show you more of that once I remove this. Alright, so I'm just going to use this plastic pry tool to pry off this outer casing, and then just pull off the whole thing. Alright, now there's 4 screws, one there, one there, one there, and one there. You want to undo those. Alright, once all 4 screws are out, you can just pull out the old unit. There we go. Alright, so it comes with all these wires here, all attached to each other. So I didn't connect any of these together, like these all come all connected together as one thing. So to start off, I'm just going to connect the main bit here into this main part here. Alright, so that's now connected. That should make sorting out the rest of these wires a bit easier, I believe. So I'm going to go ahead and look for this one, which is for the antenna. So I'm going to plug that in to this one. Alright, so that's now connected as well. So now I'm just going to connect up the rest of these wires to the actual head unit. So on the back, you got some ports here. I'm just going to try plug everything into its correct place. Alright, so on this same harness, there's a bunch of these white connections, and they're all different sizes. Each one of these white connections are all different sizes. So you just want to go ahead and plug those in to here. And because they're all different sizes, it's impossible to get them wrong. So just put them into whichever one it fits in. Then you have this black one over here, and that's where this one will go, this black one here. Alright, so far I've got most of the wires connected in there. So the antenna, the 2 USB ports, and everything else. I haven't put in the black bit yet, as it's a lot shorter, so I'll do that when I'm actually putting the radio in. But it comes with a GPS antenna thing, which I'm going to try run through the side and have this little box bit lay on the top left corner of the dash. So I'm going to run that wire round and through here into the radio. And it also comes with a microphone as well. So this little bit goes to the microphone, and that will plug into the radio as well, into this. So I'm going to try run that through this side here as well, and I'll figure out where I'm going to put the microphone later on after I run it through there. Alright, I've got the mic run up through there, and I've got the GPS antenna run up through here as well. Now the GPS antenna goes here, so you want to remove this red cap, and then you want to screw on the GPS antenna. Alright, so the GPS antenna is now connected. So now it's just to plug in the last black connector and to test and see if it powers on and works. There we go. That is now in there. Just push everything back in here real quick. I'm just gonna start the car and see if it works. Ooh, that's a good sign. So it's on. Alright, pressing things works. so far it feels quite responsive. Alright, now all the screws are back in, I can go ahead and put back on this face plate thing. This fits a lot more tight than the stock. It's been such a long time since I made the video for this, but I'm back to finish off the video. So the last clip I made, who knows how many months ago, is when I just put this in and it was installed. So now I just want to show you me connecting phones to it, so you can see that it actually works with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Alright, so I had to start the video again as it, as it connected to Bluetooth, it stopped the video. So it automatically senses my phone when I turn on the Bluetooth because I already have it connected, and it connects. So here is Android Auto. Boom, there you go. I don't know what else I show you here. It's Android Auto. Woo. Do what you want with it at this point. Boom, you see messages from my phone came through, group chat I'm in. Bam. Easy. So you see it works. Now I'm gonna connect this iPhone. I think this is a 6. So I'm gonna connect this iPhone 6 to the thing, and you can see Apple CarPlay also working on it. It's already connecting. Boom. It's now connected. But as you see, Apple CarPlay is connected up. I don't know if there's any music on here or anything, but there you go. You can see Apple CarPlay is working. Boom, 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 boom. I never use this thing, so I don't know what you can do with it. And as you can also see, it's a wireless connection. I didn't have to plug anything in for both of the phones. Like the phone I'm currently using to record, no wires or anything. This, no wires. You can plug it in. Like this screen comes with a connection to plug into the back, which has a USB cable. So you can just plug it in and it will connect as well. But I don't really see a point in using that if I can just wirelessly connect it. So I didn't even connect the USB cable to the back of this, because I just always connect it wirelessly, as it's just so much easier. So yeah, that's it. I'm not going to really go into a whole bunch of depth as to what you can do on this actual thing. I'll show you a few things, I guess. Right, so this is what you use to connect your phone to it. So that's what you use to connect your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay. You can see there's other stuff you can do on here. Like you can watch YouTube, you can browse Netflix, you can download stuff from the Play Store and all that stuff. I put all the other useless stuff on this side. But yeah, you can, and it's an Android device, so you can do all the cool stuff you can do with Android things. So enjoy it. This is my technically installation video of this. I'm not going to go into depth of it. There's probably a million other videos out there of people that go into depth on how to use this thing. It's a head unit at the end of the day. The main thing you're probably going to use it for is listening to music or the radio and watching Netflix probably, or YouTube. So other than that, what else is there really to go through? So it's got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wirelessly and wired. You can choose whichever connection method you want to use. And then yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope the head unit, you guys like it. Maybe you get one, I don't know. Do what you like. But yeah, that was it. Until next time. Peace.